Hello, friends, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Tom. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful skills in English: small talk. Small talk means short, light conversations that make daily life more friendly and less awkward. You don't need advanced grammar. You don't need long sentences. Just a few natural expressions. In this lesson, I'll share 100 useful small talk starters you can use anywhere: at work, on a bus, at the cafe, with neighbors, or at a party. I'll speak slowly, repeat key parts, and give you time to repeat after me. Let's begin. 1. Small talk about the weekend. 10 phrases. Weekends are one of the easiest ways to connect with people. 1. What are you up to this weekend? Friendly question for Friday. Repeat after me. 2. I finally had time to relax. A simple way to describe your weekend. Repeat after me. 3. The weekend went by in a flash. Means it felt short. Repeat after me. 4. I met some friends for lunch. Easy sharing sentence. Repeat. 5. Did you catch the football game? Popular weekend topic. Repeat. 6. I spent most of Sunday outdoors. Light personal information. Repeat. 7. Any highlights from your weekend? Invites details. Repeat. 8. I wish weekends were 3 days long. Friendly joke. Repeat. 9. It feels good to take a break. Positive mood. Repeat. 10. Monday came too fast, didn't it? Shared feeling. Repeat. 2. Small talk in cafes and shops. 10 phrases. Casual places are perfect for friendly lines. 1. This place makes the best coffee. 2. Do they still have the breakfast menu? 3. That pastry looks amazing. 4. The service here is always quick. 5. Have you tried the soup here? 6. I love the atmosphere in this cafe. 7. It's busier than usual today. 8. The smell of fresh bread is great. 9. I come here almost every morning. 10. Enjoy your meal. Repeat after me for each one. 3. Small talk at social events. 10 phrases. Events like parties, weddings, or office dinners need quick openers. Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name? So, how do you know the host? This music is perfect for the evening. Have you tried the appetizers? The decorations are really nice. Is this your first time here? You look familiar. Have we met? Where are you visiting from? What brings you to this event? It was great chatting with you. 4. Small talk about the weather. 10 phrases. A timeless topic. Beautiful morning, isn't it? It feels chilly today. Looks like rain is coming. Can you believe this sunshine? It's been cloudy all week. Such unusual weather lately. Finally, some warm air. It's freezing outside. Spring seems to be arriving early. I didn't expect snow today. 5. Small talk with neighbors. 10 phrases. Helps build friendly relationships at home. Good to see you again. Your plants look fantastic. Lovely evening for a walk. Did you just move in? Let me know if you need anything. I think our packages got mixed up. Do you know when the trash is collected? Your dog is adorable. Quiet street today, isn't it? Have a nice evening. 6. Small talk. During travel and transport. 10 phrases. On trains, buses, or flights, small talk makes the trip smoother. Is anyone sitting here? Do you know when we arrive? Is this the right bus for downtown? Long ride ahead. Do you travel often? I always forget something when I pack. Is this your first time flying with them? Hopefully no delays today. Is this your stop as well? Safe journey. 7. Small talk in public spaces. 10 phrases. Great for gyms, queues, and waiting rooms. Busy place today. Do you know how long the wait is? The music here is nice. I see you here often. That's a good spot to sit. The service seems slower than usual. Do you come here regularly? This gym has great equipment. It's nice to find a quiet corner. Looks like everyone had the same idea today. 8. Small talk at the workplace. 10 phrases. Work small talk is about being friendly but professional. How's your day starting? Are you working on something new? I liked your idea in the meeting. Time for a quick coffee? The week is going so fast. Have you met the new colleague? This assignment looks interesting. Can you believe it's only Wednesday? Shall we grab lunch later? Catch you at the next call. 9. Small talk about food and drinks, new shuffled category, 10 phrases. Food is always a safe and friendly topic. This dish smells wonderful. Do you like spicy food? I could eat pizza every day. Have you tried the new restaurant? This tea is really refreshing. I usually cook on weekends. Do you prefer coffee or tea? That dessert looks tempting. I'm a big fan of homemade meals. Food always brings people together. 10. Small talk about daily life and routines, 10 phrases. Simple everyday topics keep conversations flowing. Did you sleep well? The traffic was heavy this morning. I usually walk to work. Do you take the bus every day? I like starting my day with exercise. This week feels busier than usual. Do you normally wake up early? I always forget my umbrella. The mornings are getting brighter. I'm glad it's Friday already. And there we have it. 100 fresh small talk starters to make your English more natural and more confident. Use these in different situations, at cafes, on buses, at work, with neighbors, or at social gatherings. Remember, small talk isn't about deep discussions. It's about making connections, breaking silence, and showing friendliness. This is Everyday English Talk, and I'm Tom. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time. Bye for now.